Did you know that in the state of Washington, it is illegal to be in public with the common cold? That's right, Greg from accounting. And in New Mexico, up until 2016, their constitution proudly declared that idiots are not allowed to vote. Gosh, if it was that easy, why don't we change that to idiots are not allowed to write laws and hold public office? Now that would fix some problems in America. It's easy to laugh at harmless reactionary laws, but what happens when they start to affect real lives? When a man with no criminal history is sentenced to 8 years in prison because he bought undersized lobsters from Honduras. When a 67-year-old man is imprisoned for doing the paperwork for his orchid business the wrong way. And when a woman is sentenced to 10 days in jail and 3 years of probation because she used a fake address to send her son to a better school. The idea that strangers would hand your kids poisoned candy is pretty horrifying, so this story gets a lot of coverage. But did you know that there's not a single recorded instance of this ever happening? In fact, the only time that Halloween candy was poisoned was not by a stranger. It was a man who poisoned his own son to collect on a life insurance claim. So don't worry, Halloween isn't dangerous, but watch your parents.